Assalamualaikum and good evening. And today we are going to learn about the one sample t-test. Okay, so for information, there are a lot of information about one sample t-test, but I'm going just to share my view because this is for the social sciences. There might be other scholars or other lecturers that will say otherwise about one sample t-test, but I'm doing this for my class project. So if there is any mistakes, I'm very sorry, but that's what we use for the social studies. Okay, now let's check the framework. What is one sample t-test? What we are going to do? Say that this is not the framework that I used before. The first one we have satisfaction SDV, IV is pattern, socializing, self-seeking, and information. So what I'm going to do now is my objective is to measure the level of the variables. Okay, so what are the variables? I would like to measure the variable. I would like to measure the level of satisfaction, pattern, socializing, self-seeking, and information. So meaning that I'm going to have, let's say I have four IV and one DV. It means that I need to run 5 times of the one sample t-test. Okay, so what we will get, the first one is p-value, where the significant level is more than 0.05, and then we have t-value for direction, and then percentage. Okay, and then percentage. This one we are going to calculate. Okay, so towards the end we are going to produce this table. Do not use the table from the uh, from the SPSS output table straight away. So let's start. So I didn't put how to run it. It's okay. Right. So let's get back to my framework, to my students' data. As usual, I'm going to focus on the pattern here. We have B1 until B6 for the pattern. Okay, so first go to analyze. Okay, compare means. Remember, we just want to compare the means. Okay, and choose one sample t-test. Okay, choose one sample t-test. And then go down until you find the B1. Move all the items for that variable to the right side. And what about the test value? I have a quite enjoyable time to explain the test value. Test value is a mean value of your instrument. Say that, okay, let me count. Let me teach you how to do it. This study have 5 points Likert scale. Okay, Likert scale. Okay, so what does it mean? Meaning that they have 5 points from totally disagree to totally agree. So what I'm going to do is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So it's equal to 15. And then 15 I will divide by 5. So it's equal to 3. Okay, what is 5? 5 is the 5 points. Okay, so this is the test value where the middle, the mean of the scale. Okay, where is it now? Where is it? Okay, now let's check. So the test value for this study is 3. Okay, because you only have 1 to 5. Let's go to the option. Where is it? Oh, nothing. So we just can click OK. Okay, now as you can see here, there are two tables. The first table is one sample statistic, and the second table is one sample test. So what do we need? The first one is we need the items. We need the items. Okay, the second one we need the n, and then we need the mean and standard deviation and standard deviation. Okay, so let's see the T, DF, and significant. The rest you can delete. The rest you can delete. Okay, so what we are going to do, in order to make this job simple, you do not copy everything. What you do is you transfer everything in Excel. Okay, let me share with you. Just now we are here, right? Okay, just now we are here. Let me make it bigger. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, first right click copy. Okay, right click copy. Now do the counting. 1, 2, 3, and then click Ctrl V to copy. All right, and then go to one sample test. Okay, click copy, and then go to the first one. Okay, go to the first one. So what I want you to do is to make sure that the line is aligned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger. And what I told you just now, I need just n, min, and st. Okay, and delete everything. Okay, delete everything. Delete all this. Okay, so let me check here. First, significant. Here, this item is not significant. Okay, what does it mean? Meaning that they are not using the TikTok for the business. And this item is negative. Still do not have the do not use the TikTok for the business. And what you're going to do is that you're going to copy everything in this kind of table. And how to get the percentage? Percentage is 100 divide by 5 times m. You will get the percentage. Okay? Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.